Okay, good morning. It's December 19th, and we've held off as long as we can on opening the present for Melissa. And we're just waiting on Troy. Ethan is so excited. Go ahead, Ethan. He's been asking to open this present. Troy, you're going to get a present. Oh boy.
Good job.
Do you see what's in there? Shh, Troy. It's okay. Here, Troy. What's in there? Oh, you know what that is. What is that?
Tea.
What kind of a tree?
Happy.
A happy tree. What is that, Troy? Oh my goodness. Look at all of the trees. Oh boy, this looks like it's for Troy.
Oh, wow.
Let's see. That is Troy. Oh, airplanes. Look at Ethan. What's that?
Beaver. Yeah.
It's a bear. Look. Look your shirt.
Oh, what a cool shirt.
Toy.
A tree, yeah. He's very excited about the candy.
The bear hug shirt. All right.
Yeah, we'll wear this to school today
Toy.
for our Christmas party.
Oh, that one is for Troy? That was good sharing,
Very
Ethan.
nice. Can
Oh.
you say? Can you look at the camera and say thank you?
2 for me and 1 for you.
Say thank you.
Ethan.
Blow
Ethan?
Melissa a kiss.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Say Merry Christmas.
Yes.
Close.
Thank you.
He says, give me the iPad. I know that my movies are on there.
Thank you. That's perfect.
Yay.
Bye.
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 We'll see you soon.